The role of forensics: DNA, fingerprints, and digital evidence. When crimes happen, stories often unfold like mysteries. But behind every headline and every courtroom battle, there's an invisible science at work: forensics. And it's often the difference between justice served and cases left unsolved. Let's break it down. First, DNA. Every strand of hair, every drop of blood, every skin cell left behind carries a unique code. This code is like your biological fingerprint, one of a kind and nearly impossible to fake. For investigators, DNA can place a suspect at a crime scene, link them to a weapon, or even clear someone who's been wrongly accused. But DNA evidence isn't always straightforward. Contamination, degraded samples, or even identical twins can complicate the story. Then there are fingerprints. Humans have relied on them for over a century. The whorls, loops, and arches on your fingertips are as unique as snowflakes. A single print lifted from glass, a doorknob, or even a scrap of paper can tie a suspect directly to the scene. But fingerprints also come with challenges. Partial smudges, overlapping prints, or outdated databases can make the match less than perfect. And now, in the digital age, we enter a new frontier: digital evidence. Every text message, every GPS ping, every swipe of a credit card leaves a trail. Cell phone towers record where calls are made. Laptops store deleted files. Security cameras capture faces in the crowd. Even social media posts can become evidence in court. Digital breadcrumbs tell stories that criminals often forget they're leaving behind. But here's the key: forensic evidence doesn't speak for itself. It's interpreted by scientists, tested against databases, and presented to juries. A DNA sample doesn't just say guilty. It tells part of a bigger story, one that investigators must carefully piece together. And that's why forensics matter. They are the bridge between mystery and truth. They remind us that in a world where words can be twisted and alibis can be rehearsed, science has its own voice. So next time you hear about DNA, fingerprints, or digital evidence in a case, you'll know it's not just science in a lab. It's the silent witness that can expose lies, uncover the truth, and bring justice where it's most needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more true crime awareness and survival tools. And please share this with someone who might need this knowledge, because understanding how forensics work could change how you see every story we tell. Thank you for watching. See you again on the next one.